Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate-covered berries. First, select about 1 pound of fresh, firm berries, like strawberries or raspberries. Gently wash them and then thoroughly pat them dry with a paper towel. Any moisture will cause your chocolate to seize, so this step is crucial. Next, prepare your workspace by laying out parchment paper and setting up a double boiler for melting your chocolate. Now, let's melt the chocolate. For best results, use a double boiler over simmering water, ensuring the bowl does not touch the water. Alternatively, microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each. Melt about 8 ounces of high-quality chocolate, stirring until it is completely smooth and glossy. This gentle melting process is key to a beautiful, even coating on your berries. With your chocolate perfectly melted, it's time to dip the berries. Hold each berry by its stem or a toothpick, submerging about 3/4 of it into the warm chocolate. Gently swirl and lift, allowing any excess chocolate to drip back into the bowl. Place each beautifully coated berry onto a sheet of parchment paper. This prevents sticking and makes for easy removal once they are set. Once all your berries are dipped, transfer them to the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes to allow the chocolate to fully set. For an extra touch, you can drizzle them with white chocolate or sprinkle with finely chopped nuts before they set. These delightful treats are best enjoyed fresh, but can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 2 days. Enjoy your homemade chocolate-covered berries.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.